No, this is not another unboxing of the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, but finally, after I wanted to say 3 months, after 3 weeks, it finally has arrived. The Fly More kit, DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More kit. So I'll do a short unboxing.
Okay, so let's unpack the DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More kit. Once we take off the seal and we open the box, we can see, quite similar to the previous ones, the DJI bag which comes with Fly More kits. Now the quick glance at what's actually in the box. We can go straight to the bag. In my opinion, it feels really nice. When you touch the bag, the material which is made of, it is quite nice. And inside you have paperwork, which I'm gonna get back to you in a second, and that battery hub, which I'm unpacking just now. Once you take the plastic film off, you are now seeing the DJI battery hub for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. And obviously that's the EU and UK version with batteries which are for 34 minutes of flight. There is a Fly More Kit Plus with batteries of 47 minutes, and that's for, I believe, Asian and US market. I think US and Canada. If I'm wrong, tell me in the description. And you have USB Type-C to charge the batteries, USB Type-A to charge something like a phone, and the power button, which when you press, it will indicate on the side with LEDs how much juice left in the batteries. That's one more thing, what was in the box, well, what was in the bag, and that's some paperwork. And remember to read the manual from DJI website about the drone, which will be really helpful in the future. And in the front pocket, there is actually nothing in it, but it's fairly decent size, so you can put a snack or additional accessories over there. Then the bag is quite soft, and if you will put anything on top of it, quite heavy, you might damage the drone. However, it will offer a decent amount of protection. On the inside pocket, you have a USB-A to USB Type-C cable, as well as 2 pairs of propeller, spare ones, just in case things go south.
These LED indicators will indicate how much juice there is in the battery. Every single battery is charged separately, so one is being charged, then the second one, and the third one. This also works as a power bank because it has an output, and USB Type-A for charging your drone, remote control, or your phone. 2 more batteries. Honestly, one battery, I've managed recently only 21 minutes of flight on one battery because there was a really strong wind. So those 2 additional batteries, that's going to be a great addition. One more thing I would like to add as well, that I've installed a screen protector, a tempered glass screen protector on the remote control. And this is what I've used. And I'm gonna leave a link underneath the video for Amazon. So that's quite handy, as what I don't like is scratches and smudges, and this screen protector is absolutely amazing, and it's from edge to edge, fits perfectly. And I will do some B-roll showing this to you guys. But yeah, definitely worth it, because you can clean this and then you don't need to be worried about any scratches or anything else. Really, really good. I'll also do a separate video on a range test, the VLOS range test, because there are plenty of complaints on the Facebook forum about the DJI Mini 3 Pro losing connection between the remote control and the drone. And from my own personal experience, well, I will tell you that in a separate video. So definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today's video sponsor is 365vibesstore.com. It's an online store with positive vibes apparel. You can buy t-shirts, hoodies, t-shirt dresses, crop tops for ladies, tank tops for men, t-shirt and hoodies for kids. Also, you can buy some mindfulness mugs and other mugs as well, so definitely visit 365vibesstore.com. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumb up. If you didn't like this video, also please give it a thumbs up. Don't give it a thumbs down. Nonetheless, I also bought recently this green power brick for 2 USB Type-C charging ports, 65 watt charging power brick, so it will charge your drone fast. And anything else like an iPad, an iPhone, a remote control, or a couple of batteries. So yes, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!